following message is being transmitted at the request of the Los Angeles Police Department. Numerous reports about blob-like creatures roaming the city have been received. These creatures have been described to be hiding in the dark. It is unknown if these creatures are aggressive or not, but it is advised to be cautious when around these creatures. Stay tuned to local media outlets for more information. Pay attention to the following message. The Los Angeles metropolitan area has been declared a dead zone. Do not head to the Los Angeles metropolitan area without permission from the Los Angeles Emergency Management, or the Los Angeles Police Department. We have also found out new information about the blob-like creatures roaming the city. They are confirmed to be hostile, and are dark red colored. They also reproduce when consuming someone. If you see any of these creatures, flee the area immediately.